Romania, a land of enchanting landscapes, medieval castles, and rich folklore, is a must-visit destination. Start your journey in Bucharest, the vibrant capital, known for its eclectic mix of architecture, from the grandiose palace of the parliament to the charming Lipscani district. Travel to Transylvania, where the legendary Bran Castle, often associated with Dracula, stands majestically amidst the Carpathian Mountains. Explore the medieval towns of Brașov and Sighisoara, with their cobblestone streets and colorful buildings. Nature lovers will be captivated by the Danube Delta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site teeming with wildlife, and the picturesque region of Maramureș, famous for its wooden churches and traditional villages. Romanian cuisine is another highlight, with dishes like sarmale, stuffed cabbage rolls, and mamaliga polenta that are sure to delight your taste buds. Eager to uncover more about Romania's hidden treasures and travel tips? Watch the full video on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the full video.